Now that we have the membership product and, if applicable to you, variant set in Shopify, it's now time to associate them to membership plans in Appstle memberships. So come to your Appstle dashboard, navigate to the Membership Plans and Perks section, and click to create a membership plan. First, name this plan however you see fit. After that is Customer Tag Name. You can assign a specific tag name that you can associate customers with upon purchasing this membership plan, which will be viewable in their customer profiles in Shopify. This can prove useful if you're providing multiple membership tiers, for example, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, etc., and need a way to differentiate who has purchased what type of membership. After that is the order tag name. The name you put into this field will correspond to the tag given to all orders from customers who have an active membership of this plan. It can be used to identify members' orders and automatically activate any perks that they have access to as a result of being on this plan. Then search for the new membership product with variants you have created in Shopify here. You can either select all or some of its variants depending on whether you want to provide the same or different frequencies respectively. As a side note, this section can be a common source of confusion for some merchants who may believe that all of the products they want to offer in their store on membership need to be chosen from this pop-up menu. This is actually not the case. The important thing to select in this section is the membership product itself. You can configure access to the other types of products in your store later when configuring membership perks, which we will also have separate videos dedicated to for your reference. Now, define your membership renewal frequency by typing a value into this field and selecting either days, weeks, months, or years in the drop-down to the right. You can add a numerical value into minimum membership renewal, which will correspond to how many billing cycles customers will be tied to before they are able to cancel their membership. Likewise, you can add another value into maximum membership renewal if you wish to automatically cancel a customer's membership after a set number of billing cycles. Next up are two ways that you can offer discounts: discount on membership plans or free trial. You will only be able to configure one of these, so choose the one that best suits your situation and membership plan. Note that this does not affect any products that customers will have access to upon purchasing membership. That is, again, handled by membership perks. Adding to that, be aware that if you enable this section and save the plan, you will not be able to disable it. This is because Shopify currently does not allow for adjusting a pricing policy once it has been finalized. So if in the future you wanted to disable this discount, you will need to delete this membership plan and start from scratch. So for the first option, offer discount for membership plans, you will receive a field where you can configure either a percentage or amount off discount. There is also an additional toggle in this section you can use if you want to adjust the discount amount after a certain number of billing cycles. If you want to make use of this, toggle it on, then type in the billing cycle you want to update the discount on. Type in a value into the discount offer field, then choose either percentage or amount off. Now for free trial. Enable the toggle to be shown three new fields. The first is trial period description. This will be the free trial information that your customers will see in the product details page. Second is the free trial period. Enter a numerical value into this field and select days, weeks, months, or years in the drop-down to the right. Finally, there's the discount offer after the trial period is over. You can input a numerical value into this field and select either percentage or amount off in the drop-down to the right. If you do not wish to provide further discounts, however, you can simply type 0 into this field. Finally, there's the Form Field section, which is optional to complete. You can use this section in cases where you want to get certain types of information from your members, such as their birthdays, names, business names, etc. Select the field type that works best for you and write an appropriate label. If you want to make this a requirement for your new members, select the other checkbox here. Finally, you can set this field as visible if you want your customers to be able to see and interact with it. If you do not have an immediate need for it, however, you can just keep it toggled off. You can always come back and edit it later on down the line. If you need to add additional fields, just click Add More Fields below. When you are finished, click to save the membership plan. You can repeat everything shown here in Part 2 for creating membership plans for the other membership product variants, like I have here for monthly and quarterly, in addition to the yearly variant I have just configured. If needed, you can repeat the same process from Part 1 and here in Part 2 to create other tiers of memberships and variants as well. Now go to your storefront and search for the newly created product. As you can see, there are tabs for the different variants of the product you have set in Shopify. Our membership widget will appear in each one. I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, feel free to let us know. Thank you and have a nice day.